rolling in, y'all. We're rolling in Nashville Motor Speedway. Sweet. All right, y'all. We got another video for you coming up here. I went all the way up to Nashville Motor Speedway, and we are here at Import Alliance, Nashville. This looks pretty interesting. I've never been here before, but it looks like a lot of fun. We're in the queue here. The line is about an hour before the gates open up, but yeah, should be some good stuff. We'll be hunting some sweet cars. Got my hunting hat on and my colors so I don't get run over by Mustangs. I'm just kidding. Anyway, yeah, got some nice stuff here. Look at the line here. Yeah, pretty nice. I think, where's that, an Acura or something? I have to see. Guys, got a lot of stuff done to it. Anyway, I could go walk up and down the line, but I'll wait till everyone moves in. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. We have some nice cars, a nice MR2 there. We'll get a close look at some of these vehicles when we get in. Well, y'all, I knew it would be out here, and this is my first time seeing it. We've got the brand new Nissan Z, 2023 model year this will be, I believe, when it comes out. But yeah, brand new Nissan Z. Wow. Looks spectacular. That paint, it shifts from like blue to black. That is quite a color. Oh yeah, it's got the blue interior. You know, I didn't think I'd like the blue, but in person, it's actually quite nice. I like that shifter. It's real snickety. That's an official term, snickety. But I like the way that is. That's cool. And it's not aluminum. Excuse me, if you're in Europe, aluminium to burn your hands. It's a nice little leather shift knob. Got the Z logo. Wow. In person, this car is not bad. Not bad at all.
I've seen a few of these on the road.
Oh, this one's got the Nismo exhaust on it. I didn't notice that. Because the performance exhaust has got little holes in it. That's got the Nismo exhaust. So this has got the extra bits. I think that'll be available from the dealership if you want to add it on. Now the car isn't on, so we can't look at the digital dash. I'll give you an idea, the general look of the vehicle. Quite a nice cockpit. Yeah, this color is crazy. Like, I've seen a lot of videos, the color comes off just multicolored, and it is quite multi-dimensional. It is light and dark. Brand new Z. And that grille, initially when you see the grille, you're like, oh, it's a huge gaping grille. But when you actually look, we can take this, see if I can look at the side, see if you can see the angle on this. It has like a shark nose curve to it. Like it curves inward. You can see on the nose it curves like back inward. So it goes more forward than backs in and then goes to a lip. So it actually isn't as bad looking as you think. And actually, in person, it looks really, really aggressive, really, really cool. Hopefully I'm doing it justice here with the GoPro. New Nissan Z. We got little Fiat 500. Is this an Abarth? It looks really nice. Let's ask the owners. Hello. Is this your car?
It's mine.
Oh, okay. Is this an Abarth or just a regular Fiat 500?
It's a bot.
It's an Abarth?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. These sound really good, by the way.
Thank you.
You want to crank it up for me? I'd like to hear it.
Crank it up.
Oh, yeah. This one's got an aftermarket exhaust, all right. It sounds even more insane than the factory one. Wow. That's awesome. I noticed you have a tow truck.
Oh, that's my boyfriend's tow truck. That's her boyfriend's car.
Oh, okay. I was wondering because...
He got a little drip car he put on top of it.
Oh, okay. I thought you guys were like, it's like making some sound a joke, like, oh yeah, it's Italian, it's gonna break down, right? So we bought ourselves the tow truck as a joke.
Right. But no, her boyfriend had his little
His little RC car.
oh yeah.
Oh,
his
okay.
little
I was
Volkswagen
wondering.
over there. Yeah.
Well, you have a beautiful car. I love it,
you.
and it
Thank
sounds
you.
amazing. That exhaust is really nice.
Thank you.
Have a good one, ladies.
You too.
I'm just in the parking lot here. I'm trying to get to the main center, but then I saw this, and I met this guy on the way in, and I thought, man, that's really cool. His daughter has like a little matching car. I know it's like an Audi and everything, but it's pretty cool. Like the two match. Really, really, really neat. Actually, his car actually kind of looks very Audi-esque. That is kind of cool. Debadged. Some nice tasteful mods. Really nice rims. Look at these rims. Oh, yeah, Avid rims. Those are really nice. Got a tasteful rack on top. Some nice fitment. Man, this car should be in the display area, not here in the parking lot. But either way, pretty nice. Yeah, I like that. Oh, he's got a little picture on the side of his car. That's cool. I didn't get the gentleman's name, but I gave him a card to check out my channel, and hopefully he does, and you'll get to see his car and his daughter's car on YouTube. What's your name, sir?
Al Bruin.
Al Bruin. Let me ask you a question. Which one's your car?
These three right here.
Those three.
Those three.
You brought 3 cars.
3 cars. We live really, really close to the Speedway.
And they're all black with carbon fiber.
Yeah, all black. I guess very hard to keep clean, black cars, you know.
Yeah, like men in black, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
You want to go through your cars? Tell me about it.
Sure. So this is a 17 R8. Obviously a bunch of carbon fiber pieces, side skirts, front lip, rear diffuser.
What wheels are those?
They are 20-inch 2-piece forged wheels, obviously staggered setup. 7K is the company that made them. It's got a Boost Logic twin turbo setup on it, stage 1. But other than that, besides the suspension upgrades and the carbon fiber, it's somewhat stock, I guess you could say.
Somewhat stock?
Stockish.
Stockish. How much power does it make?
Right at 800. It's stage 1 kit, so
okay.
Nothing too crazy. Still on pump gas.
Stock internals?
Yeah, stock internals. The motors are good for 1800-ish. The trans.
Oh yeah, I bet. You see the snailies in here, or are they tucked away?
They are. So the twin turbos are right up here. So there's one here, and the same thing on the other side. And you can see the intake filters, but see up there.
Gotcha. Let's take a look at the front of this. Man, it's really clean. I like the carbon fiber lip. It's tastefully done. You haven't gone like extravaganza.
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah. Well, tell me about the S2000 you brought.
S2000 is a 2000 S2000. There's a lot of stuff done onto it. 488 rear end with 1,000 horsepower axles. CD09 trans, which is a 370Z trans. 350, 370. Single turbo setup, Haltech standalone, ID 2000cc injectors. There's a lot of stuff that has been touched on this car. Carbon fiber hard top, carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber hood. You name it, made a little over 700.
700?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mickey Thompson straight R's with 15x9 wheels over here. So it gets traction.
You mind if I take a look under the hood? Nice. It's a bit of a sleeper. Well, not really. When you look at those fat tires at the rear. Yeah.
So Precision 62, 66, dual tile, twin millimeter, 38 millimeter wastegates, radium dual catch can. Car still has full AC and heat. So it's a quick car, but also you can drive it as much as you want to.
Yeah.
You're not have to worry about getting hot.
That's really, really, you wouldn't know. You look at this and you're like, the only thing that gives you away is the tires. Right? To be honest with you, right? Yeah. The tires give it away just a little bit. Clean car, man.
Thank you.
And your last car here?
Last one is a 2016 RS7 Performance. It has 21 by 10.5 all the way around, KW coilovers, and a BS1 stage 1 tuning. Otherwise, it's completely stock.
Yeah, you don't have to do a whole lot other than some tunes, some bolt-ons with these. You know, they just walk in front of you. Sorry about that, guys. I'll just post-edit it.
But the best all-around vehicle I've ever owned, 100%.
BC rims?
BC forged, 21 by 10.5, 2-piece.
That seems to be really popular now, the BC rims.
They're great quality. I've had a couple of friends that have bought wheels from them. Great turnaround, amazing quality. I can't say anything bad about them whatsoever. They're great. Love them.
You know, these are really, really, you're all around like perfect daily right here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Makes plenty of power. DS1, stage 1 tune. I think on DS1's website, they, I think it made 703 torque and 630 horsepower of the wheels, according to their charts. And that's just the tune, no bolt-ons, anything like that. So.
Well, spectacular. Thank you for showing me your cars here.
You're welcome.
And I'm sorry about melting in front of you. But,
Hey,
you know,
I'm in the same boat, man. It's hot.
You know, as everyone knows on my channel, my bacon's cooking. Yes, sir. 3 beautiful cars.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Very much.
Man, stupid Volkswagen. Yeah, just the right time, Volkswagen. It's gonna make a bunch of noise. It's not a Honda. Oh Lord. I think he's gonna go race. Well, anyway, tell me a little about your Z here.
It's a 90 NA car. This winter I went ahead and put Z1 GT 675 RSs on it, all sporting mods, 1000cc injectors, Caltech ECU, had it tuned at Z Shack in Houston. Makes just over 600 to the tire. All original paint except for the bumper. It's got the twins front bumper and Type 1 nose panel.
So this was originally an NA car. That
Originally an NA car. It's the NA engine, completely unopened.
Wow.
Other than just valve cover gaskets and, you know, timing belt stuff's been done. But
Here, I'll go to your build sheet here. You guys can freeze here if you want to read it. Man, I love the paint. This is original paint.
it is. The bumper and the nose panel obviously have been repainted since they're aftermarket, but everything else is original paint. Found this car 3 years ago and stored under a guy's deck. It needed 2 injectors. I drove it on a trailer and had it running that weekend. So
Wow.
got 88,000 when I bought it. It's got 91,000 miles on it now.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
I mean, I haven't, to be honest with you, I haven't seen this color. And that's a shock to me because I thought you'd redone this.
Nope. AH3, cherry red pearl, I think is what they call it.
That is a gorgeous color. And you went, what color is these rims? Do these have like a color?
They call them copper. That's what Inky calls them.
Oh, wow. I've got a member of ZMI. She's got a red 300 that's got these wheels, but not that color. They're like a silver finish. If you guys want to follow him on Instagram.
Brom racing seats. And
well, everyone's using these Brom seats. Are they pretty decent?
They're inexpensive. They're comfortable.
I've heard some complaints that they flex a little too much.
I don't race the car, so I can't speak to that. But
oh, you even color matched little bits in the center. That's nice. It's tastefully done. Really clean. I'm just in shock about this paint. I mean, this is a factory color. I have not seen this.
Factory color, factory finish.
Do you have an idea about how many were made in this color?
It's actually a pretty popular color.
Really?
I have seen the numbers. I don't remember what the numbers were exactly.
Maybe I'm just clueless.
It was, I don't know, 20% of them are in this color. So 10, 15, 20%, something like that.
No, there you go. I'm educated today.
There you go.
All right. Well, thank you for showing my car.
Absolutely.
And check out the video on Gears and Gaming.
Sounds good.
All right, for you old school Japanese fans, it's a little rare piece of hardware right here. It's an all-track turbo Celica. You don't get to see many of these. This one is a JDM model because it is a right-hand driven unit, a right side drive. I believe this was the last model year they made of the GT for all-track turbo car Celica, because this has got the updated front fascia. Let's see if I can see in there through the glare. Wow, that's really clean. Finally, this clean is really hard to do. Hello. Let's see the people in the reflection.
How you doing, man?
This yours?
No, I wish.
Shoot, me too.
I love the 103 SGT.
Oh, look how clean this car is.
And on top of that, look at that big fat WRC wing.
Yeah, it's really well. I like that. He's done little touches, like they got the rising sun in the vent.
Yes. Very subtle stuff. Those Oz wheels are super nice.
Yeah.
Never mind, I'm not surprised by any of this. The flag right there, there you go. That's all you got to know.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah, Puerto Rico's crazy with their cars.
There they are.
That's going, bud. I'm sorry. I'm on your way.
Is this your car? Ah! When you get her, because she's super clean, man.
Thanks, man. I got it in February.
Yeah, where'd you get it from?
I found an importer called Japstar Imports.
Yeah.
Out of Jersey, and he happened to have one in stock. So
Wow.
yeah, I had somebody go inspect it. Got a billion pictures from like under the whole deal, rust free.
Wow.
For the most part. So yeah, worked out pretty nice.
Is it pretty much stock, or have you done anything to it?
The wheels that you see, that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
This came with it?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is a GT4 WRC.
Ah.
So it was the homologation one that they made like 2,500 of.
Oh, okay.
And so it comes with the bracing back here. It comes with the turbo, with the water cooler.
Uh-huh.
It's all-wheel drive.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Should probably just pop the trunk. I know you don't.
Yeah, would you pop the hood for me?
Yeah.
Pop the hood. I noticed you had the rising sun in the vent. You added that, right?
I did. I thought that was a nice touch.
Yeah, yeah. I noticed. I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. Wow, it is completely stock.
Yeah, it's gonna stay that way too.
Wow.
My goal is to keep everything stock in here.
You could almost smell the cigarettes. Wow.
The interior is stock, nothing aftermarket on the inside either.
That's awesome. Well, yeah, preserve them, man, because like if you keep them pretty much stock, or any modifications you do, you can remove.
Yeah.
The value of these things are just going up like crazy.
I know. I saw one last month for quite a bit more than I paid.
I'll bet.
So I told my wife it was a good investment.
It is a good
So now
investment.
you don't have to. Now you don't have to make me feel bad about it.
All right, sir. Well, thank you for showing me your beautiful Celica.
No problem, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Y'all have never seen one of these. This is an AZ-1. They're it's a K car from Japan, not here. And yeah, they're really cool. They got going doors. That's really neat. Can you imagine driving in this thing? It's like driving in like a go-kart. Oh, that's awesome, dude. It's got an own-piece steering wheel. I think they've redone this. This looks really nice. The seats, I don't remember the seats looking this nice on videos from ones I see in Japan. Yeah, I think there's some work's been done with the Alcantara. That's really cool looking car. It's got an aftermarket exhaust. That's dope. That's dope. Sweetness. Here is the Autozam's competitor. This your car, sir?
It belongs to the Lane Motor Museum in Nashville.
Oh, okay. Can you tell me a little bit about the car?
So this is the successor to the Honda Beat. It's a 3-cylinder, about 63 horsepower engine, weighs about 1,800 pounds.
And this was only produced in Japan, right?
Only produced in Japan. It started out model year 2015, and then up to 2022 they stopped making them.
Oh. It's a hard decision. This is cool, but the Autozam's cool too.
Yes, it is. They're both very, very cool cars.
Oh. The interior is really nice on this.
Yeah, what I like about this is everything was made for the 660. They didn't pull parts out of the parts bin, so everything's the right size.
Everything's correct, right? Well, it's a really cool little car. I mean, I've seen these on YouTube, but you really don't know how small these are until you get up to them.
You're right.
I mean, this is where my waist is right here, and the car reaches about the top of my waist. So that's a really small car. This makes a Miata look big. But yeah, we have a really, really nice GTR. I like the fact that they color matched the wheels to the accents of the car. Put it back here. No, that's in shadow. There's nothing I can do about that. It's so those are Advent wheels. Hi, this is Brandon and his Black Edition GTR, and he's going to tell me a little about it.
So it's a full bolt-on car, E85, Tomei exhaust, tuned at CCO, makes 660 wheel, 640 foot-pounds of torque.
Well, it's really clean, man. I especially love the wheels, the touch you did there with the wheels. When you got, I mean, it's almost a perfect paint match. I mean, see here, look, and then you go to the wheels. I mean, did you inspect the wheels in person, or you just did it online?
It was a good luck purchase, completely sight unseen.
I mean, it's so spot on. I can't even tell. It looks like you paint matched the wheels to the car, but they were like that.
Yeah, you can order them straight from Advent.
Oh man, that's nice. Well, it's a beautiful car. And you said making what, 600?
660.
660. Wow. Is that on pump gas?
E85.
E85. All right. All right. Well, we got really nice black edition here at Import Alliance, Nashville. I switched hats. If you didn't notice, the other one just wasn't working. You guys need to have a race. Go! Bro, you gonna let him beat you like that? Oh, okay. Oh, this, at least you got the natural breeze in here.
Yeah, we got a breeze.
Yeah, you do.
But I got a lot of plans for it. I'm gonna put a top on it.
Yeah, yeah.
Put side canvas here.
I love the wheels, man.
This is a drift car. No. We'll have the kids. Yeah.
Is that a drift car?
Yes, this is a drift cart.
Yes.
Taxi Garage makes all the upgrades for these carts. This cart goes about 30 miles an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They just got their newest 900 watt motor on it,
yeah,
with a 48 volt and a 48 volt controller. And it's got skateboard caster wheels in the rear, solid rubber tire in the front with a chain guard on it.
Oh wow.
So it goes about 30 miles an hour, give or take on your height and weight and whatnot. Wanted to pick it up?
Yeah.
Well, at first I bought it off Facebook as a stock car for 130 bucks.
Yeah.
And it just wasn't fast enough, so I soon enough found out about Taxi Garage on YouTube, and then I went to the website, and now they just have all sorts of upgrades for these. Mine's about almost the full package what you can get. Mine's considered basically a stage 4. They go all the way up to stage 5. Stage 5 has a reinforced bar welded underneath the chassis here, and a couple welds under the wheels to make the structure more sturdy.
Yeah.
Because the carts, you can go through a frame within 6 months or so if you're riding it too hard.
Oh wow.
And so I've been riding this thing ever since 10 o'clock this morning, and it's not giving up on me yet. Like, it still has so much torque and power in it. I only charge it for about 30 minutes around 2 o'clock, and it still runs strong.
Really?
It's pretty insane of what they do, but you pay a pretty penny for their products though.
Yeah.
Like their products, like, give or take what my cart's worth, probably around $3 grand.
Wow.
But you're getting, like I said, you're getting the best of the best, easy plug and play system. You'll have endless amounts of no matter what.
Nice.
So like, it's probably the best adult toy I've ever bought for myself ever, besides my car.
Come on, hop in there. Let me see your door.
All right.
I'm thinking I'd be too big for something like this.
They do offer an XL version of these carts.
Really?
They're a lot bigger. They're a little bit wider for taller people or whatnot. So those are a little bit more expensive than these carts, because how the structure is and how big they much are.
Oh, okay.
Car coming here. But most of the time they sell lots of these standard carts. The XLs, I mean, they're way more expensive than these, because they range from stage 1 to stage 5. Same thing with these carts. Stage 1 is about 15 miles an hour. You'll get max. That comes with a 36 volt battery, solid rubber tire, and these wheels in the back here. Other than that, like,
how fast does this one go?
Roughly probably about 30 miles an hour.
Jesus.
So, but this solid tire will wear out. The longer you drive and the harder you drift on it, this tire will wear out quicker, so your speed will decrease. Because this was a brand new tire when I got here.
Oh wow.
And so it's getting pretty low, but this tire will go all the way down to the chain. Like, it'll go all the way. It's probably the best toy ever, I'll tell you.
Man, that thing is quick. I was gonna drift around my car. Dude, that's awesome.
That's how it's done.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
I appreciate it, man.
All right, and on that bombshell, I'm cooking, and you know what it is, it's the bacon. Appreciate you joining me here at Gears and Gaming, Import Alliance up here, and this would be Nashville, wouldn't it, technically? It's Nashville Speedway, yeah, you know. It's not really close to Nashville, but it's Nashville Speedway. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.